Mark Paul, mahal. From the very first moment I saw you, alam ko na agad na isa kang napaka-espesyal na tao kahit na napakamahiyain mo. Your kindness, your strength, at ang iyong walang sawang pagmamahal ang siyang naging dahilan kung bakit mas lalo't higit na naging maliwanag ang aking buhay.
Nagmamahal kayo ng lubos kapag hindi nakamahal-mahal yung isa't isa at nagmamahal pa rin kayo. More than a feeling, love is a decision. Yung feeling, it comes, it goes. No? But the love that has to be there para mag-last yung relationship nyo is a decision.
Today is a very special day. Parang kailan lang noong ito'y pinangarap at pinagdarasal ko. Parang kailan lang noong taong 2014 nung una kitang nakita. At naging isang pangarap na sana ikaw ang aking makasama. At noong mangyari yon, I knew that God's plan because when it's happened, my life was changed.
Akala natin nang panalo sa away, yung mas matagal magkinkin ng galit. Hindi marunong magpatawad. Mali. Ang panalo sa away, ang malalim ng pangunawa. Kaya hindi nang nagmamahal. Umuunawa.
Salamat sa Panginoon at tinupad niya ang lahat ng aking panalangin noong tayo'y sinusubukan ng panahon. At sa pagkakataong ito, sa loob ng 10 taon, 2 buwan, at 12 araw ngayon na magkasama bilang magkasintahan, ay narito tayo, haharap at mangangako sa isa't isa.
Ito ang anak nga anak mo may sangal daw. Apay ko mata di mga may bayan. Nung tigas na ka santo mga ladigik kay silinam. Nako. Pa. Alagaan ko si Arlene. Hindi ko siya papabayaan.
Today, I give you not only my love but also my unwavering commitment to building a life filled with happiness, laughter, and endless love. With all that I am and all that I have, and pledge to love you wholeheartedly and unconditionally for the rest of my life.
Sa harapan ng mga taong nagmamahal sa atin, mga kaibigan at kapamilya, na ngayoy babasbasan na ng ating Panginoon ang ating pagsasama bilang mag-asawa sa hirap at ginhawa. Nais kong malaman mo na I feel incredibly blessed and honored to become your partner in this journey of life. Mahal, I promise to love you without condition, to laugh with you in moments of joy, and to support you in times of sorrow. I vow to be your devoted partner, your confidant, and your best friend.
Napakabuti ng Panginoon sapagkat tayo pinagtagpo at tinadhana. Mahal, you are the light that brightens my darkest days, the laughter that fills my soul, and the love that completes me in every way imaginable.
Bad news. Ito, bad news. Hindi nyo kayang dalawa. Hindi nyo kayang. Yung kayong dalawa lang, hindi nyo kayang. Mahirap. Hindi ay mag-asawa. Good news. Kapag kasama si Kristo sa relasyon mo, kasama ang Diyos, kayang-kaya.
Measuring days in the spaces between our goodbyes.
Together, we will navigate the challenges and celebrate the triumphs that life brings our way. I commit to always listen with compassion and speak with honesty, to cherish our shared dreams and respect our individual aspirations. I will stand by your side, hand in hand, as we build a future filled with love, laughter, and endless adventures.
Night, send out the stars, 'cause when I'm dreaming we don't seem so far. Darken the sky and light up the moon, so that somehow you'll be here with me soon. Bring me the night, bring me the night.
Today, I give you all of me, knowing that our love will continue to grow and deepen with each passing day. I am excited for the future we will create together, and I am grateful for every moment we share. With all my heart, I promise to love you, honor you, and cherish you today and always.
Send out the stars, 'cause when I'm
Bilang isang magulang, ang masasabi ko sa anak namin ay mahalin niya ng lubos ang kanyang asawa at mananatili sana sa kanila ang pagmamahalan at pagkakaintindihan.
bring me the night, bring me the night, bring me the night.
Alright, Paul, you can now kiss the bride.
Easy